Hello dear traders, today we are going to present you the current week economic calendar. At the end of the current week, the USA is scheduled to release data on its producer price index for January. In the previous reporting period, the index fell by 0.1% on a monthly basis, whereas analysts had expected a jump by 0.1%. In November, US producer prices increased by 0.3%. On a yearly basis, the PPI added 4.8% in December versus 5.7% a year earlier. The headline figure failed to conform with the forecasted 5.1%. In January, the index is seen to gain 0.3% month-on-month and 4.1% year-on-year. Meanwhile, U.S. producer prices, excluding food and energy, grew by 0.3% in December, following a November gain of 0.1%, with the focus being equal to 0.1%. In comparison to December 2010, the index came up by 3%, after a growth by 2.9% in the previous month. Experts were predicting the indicator to plunge to 2.8%. The January forecast is suggestive of index uptick by 0.1% versus December and 2.6% versus January 2010. As for Philadelphia manufacturing sector, it showed more vivid activity in January, so Philly Fed manufacturing index hit the level of 7.3 in January against 6.8 in December. In the last month of 2010, the reading was revised from initial 10.3 points. Economists has anticipated to see more impressive surge of the index to 9.3%. In January, the new orders index slumped by 6.9 points as compared to 10.7 points in December. The employment indicator slightly improved from 11.5 to 11.6. Moreover, Great Britain will publish a report on retail sales for January. A month before, the indicator climbed up amid shops decreasing prices to attract more customers in the Christmas-New Year period. Retail sales with auto fuel inflated in price by 0.6% relatively in November, when they sank by 0.5%. The December growth met the focus of economists. The indicator showed an annual upturn of 2.6%. However, market participants suppose that it will be difficult to maintain the index ascending trend with the rising unemployment, inflation soaring over wages rate, and waning consumer confidence. With slower global growth and demand for UK exports stemming effects, there are increasingly more concerns that Great Britain is on the way to another recession. That was our economic events outlook for the week to come. Goodbye.